Next we discuss about what then what. There is an example. I got it from 200 rupees. This is CP, that is cost price, and I sold it to 180 rupees, that is your selling price. So here loss, that is equal to 200 minus 180, so that is equal to 20 rupees. Here loss percentage, that is equal to loss by CP into 100, that is 20 by 200 into 100, so that is equal to 0.1 into 100, that is 10% loss. And in these problems, what tell was, we will say we sold a bar soap for 180 rupees and incurred a loss of 10%. So at what price did I buy my soap? So they will give you 180 rupees at 10% loss. So what should you understand this? Suppose I buy a product, alright, say for X rupees. If I sell it at 100% of my CP, then I will need to get a profit or loss. If I sell it at 110% of my CP, I will get a profit of 10%, right? Okay, that is extra 10%. If I sell it at 90% of my CP, then I have 10% loss. Now, if the same, thus 180 rupees as I sold it and 180 rupees I got it, then 10% loss. Doesn't that mean this is 90% of the CP exactly? So what you do is, to get a CP, divide 180 rupees by 90%. So 180 divided by 0.9, that is equal to 200 rupees, which is CP. So in general, so if your CP is 100%, then now let's see the different scenarios where the SP is 100% of the CP as same thing. So you have no profit and no loss. So here there are two things, CP and SP. Both are 100%, that implies no profit and no loss. In CP is 100% and SP is 125%. This implies that here the SP was 125% of your CP. That is, SP is the higher price. So here difference is 125 minus 100. That implies 25% of profit. In case CP is 100%, SP is 80%. Here decrease amount of 20%. So here 20% of loss. Next we have to discuss about basic definitions and formulas. First one is that cost price. This is the price at which an article is purchased. Next, selling price. This is the price at which an article is sold. Next one is that profit or gain. If the selling price is more than the cost price, the difference between them is the profit incurred. Next, profit or gain. There is a formula SP minus CP, that is selling price minus cost price. Next one is that loss. What is loss? If the selling price is less than the cost price, the difference between them is the loss incurred. Then there is a formula, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Profit or loss is always calculated on the cost price. Next, there is a question, what is market price? Market price, this is a price marked as the selling price on an article, also known as the listed price. Next, discount or rebate. What do you mean by discount or rebate? Discount, this means the reduction in the price offered on the market or listed price. Next, we have to discuss some questions. There is a question, an article is purchased for rupees 450 and sold for rupees 500. Find the gain percent. So gain, so we know that SP minus CP, that is 500 minus 450, that is equal to 50. Next, we have to find the gain percentage, that is equal to 15 by 450 into 100, that is equal to 100 by 9%. Our next problem is that a man sold a fan for rupees 465. Find the cost price if he incurred a loss of 7%. So here CP, that is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. Therefore, the cost price of the fan, that is equal to 100 by 93 into 465, that is equal to rupees 500. Our next question is that in a transaction, the profit percent is 80% of the cost. If the cost further increases by 20%, but the selling price remains the same, how much is the decrease in profit percentage? let us assume CP that is equal to rupees 100. Then profit that is equal to rupees 80. And the selling price, so SP is equal to rupees 180. Then the cost increases by 20%, that is new CP. So that is equal to rupees 120. Then SP is equal to rupees 180. So profit percentage that is equal to 16 divided by 120 into 100. That is 50%. That is your profit. Therefore, profit decreases by 30%. Our next question is that a man bought some toys at the rate of 10 for rupees 40 and sold them at 8 for rupees 35. Find his gain or loss percent. So we know cost price of 10 toys that is equal to rupees 40. That is your CP of one toy that is equal to rupees 4. And selling price of 8 toys that is equal to rupees 35. That is SP of one toy that is equal to rupees 35 divided by 8. So therefore gain is equal to 35 divided by 8 minus 4, that is 3 by 8. Then we have to find gain percentage, so that is equal to 3 by 8 divided by 4 into 100, that is equal to 9.375%. Our next question is that a dishonest merchant sells his grocery using weights 50% less than the true weights and makes a profit of 20%. Find his total gain percentage. So here let us consider 1 kilogram of grocery bag. Its actual weight is 85% of 1000 gram, that is 850 gram. So let the cost price of each gram be rupees 1. Then the CP of each bag that is equal to rupees 850. And then SP of 1 kilogram of bag that is equal to 120% of the true CP. Therefore, SP is equal to 120 divided by 100 into 1000, that is equal to rupees 1200. Next we have to find the gain. So gain is equal to 1200 minus 850, that is 350. Next we have to find gain percentage. So here we clear 350 divided by 850 into 100, that is equal to 41.17%.